Hello everyone, welcome to Sai Generation. Today we will discuss about the everyday glossary of Cicerelli for the student of psychology. This is the 7th video of this series, everyday glossary of Cicerelli for the student of psychology. Let's get started. First, displayed aggression. So displayed aggression is the taking out one's frustration on some less threatening or more available target. So displaced aggression means taking out one's frustration on some less threatening or more available target. Second is displacement. Displacement is the redirecting feeling from the threatening target to less threatening one. So displacement means redirecting feeling from a threatening target to a less threatening one. Third is display rules. Learned ways of controlling displays of emotion in social setting. Fourth is dispositional cause. Dispositional cause means a cause of behavior attributed to internal factors such as personality or character. So dispositional cause means a cause of a behavior attributed to internal factors such as personality or character. Fourth is dissociative amnesia. This is a loss of memory for a personal information, either particular or complete. This is a particle or complete loss of memory for a personal information. Dissociative disorder. Dissociative disorder in which there is a break in conscious awareness, memory, the sense of identity, or some combination. Dissociative disorder means a disorder in which there is a break in conscious awareness, memory, the sense of identity, or some combination. Dissociative fuse. What is a dissociative fuse? Dissociative fuse means a traveling away from a familiar surrounding with amnesia for the trip and possible amnesia for a personal information. That is called the dissociative fuse. Dissociative identity disorder. Disorder occurring when a person seems to have two or more distinct personalities within one body. Distress. What is the distress? The effect of a unpleasant and undesirable stressors. So this is called the distress. Distributed practice. Spacing the study material or to be remembered, including break between study periods. So this is called a distributed practice, means spacing the study of material to be remembered by including breaks between study periods. Next, disuse. Another name of decay, assuming the memories that are not used will eventually decay and disappear. Second is divergent thinking. There are two types of thinking. First I said convergent thinking, and second is divergent thinking. Types of thinking in which person start from one point and comes up with a different ideas or possibility based on that point. The digotive twins, when often called parental twins, and occurring when two individuals eggs get fertilized by separate sperm, resulting in two zygotes in the uterus at the same time. DNA. What is the DNA? So DNA is a special molecule that contains the genetic material to the organism. Drive detection theory. Approach to motivate that assume behavior arise from psychological needs that causes internal drives to push the organism to satisfy the need and reduce tension and arousal. So what is the dominant? Dominant is the referring to a gene that actively controls the expression of a threat. Second is door in the face technique. This is the asking for a large commitment and being refused, and then taking for a smaller commitment. Double approach avoidance conflict. Conflict in which person must decide between two goals. With each goal processing both positive and negative aspects. You can say positive and negative reward also. Double blind study. Study in which neither the experiment or nor the subject know if the subjects are experimental or control group. Drive. Drive is a psychological tension. Physical arousal arising when there is a need that motives in organism and act to order fulfill the need and reduce the tension. Again, there is a psychological tension and physical arousal arising when there is a need that motives the organism to act in order to fulfill the need and reduce the tension. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel too. Thank you.